Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's check out how to use the translate feature as well as how to insert subtitles, in fact live subtitles in a PowerPoint presentation. So please stay tuned. Okay, let's start with using the translate feature. Okay, for this I have this slide here. For example, if you want to translate the text "How are you" in two different languages, for example in Arabic as well as in Hindi. So earlier, traditionally, what we used to do is to copy this text, go to Google and do the translation, and copy from there and paste it in your applications. So this feature is available in Office 365 and it is also available in Word and Excel. So let's see how to do that in PowerPoint. So the first way of going and using this feature is by going to the Review tab. If you click on the Review tab, you see this translate option. Just click on this translate button. There will be a section which opens up here. Okay, so let's go back and see the other option. So the other option is to just click on this text, select the line that you want to translate, right click on it and go select the translate option. So once you click on translate, the same two text boxes open on the right hand side. So for example, if you see, now it has detected the text "How are you" and it is translated into from, which is English, which will auto detect the language which is detected, which is English here, and it is translated into Hindi. So we also have an option to transfer it into French, translate it into Arabic. So let's do Arabic here first. Okay, so alright, so now "How are you" is translated to Arabic, which is "Kaifa halak." So now if you want to insert this translation into this text box, you can either copy and paste it here or just click on insert. It will insert the translated text here. The same way, just select this. Again, it has detected "How are you." Now go ahead and change the language. Let's go ahead and search for Hindi. Okay, select Hindi. It is now translated in Hindi. Just click on insert. So the text is now translated and inserted in Arabic and Hindi. So this is the same way you can actually go ahead and insert the translated text. You need not go ahead and change the keyboard type and keep on typing it in Hindi or Arabic. So this simple translation feature is inbuilt into PowerPoint. You can go ahead and simply use it. So that is the first part. Now the most interesting part, which I love, is inserting subtitles into your PowerPoint presentation. So if you know, PowerPoint has an option, has a feature to insert subtitles when you are giving your presentation live to your audience. So for example, if you have a mixed crowd of who speaks Hindi, who speaks Arabic and who speaks English, so you can have your presentation running in English and then you can have subtitles in the bottom or in the top displayed in Hindi. So let's insert a text box. How are you? This is my channel. This is "How are you?" Okay, let's just keep it "How are you" and see how it appears when you're going to give the presentation. So let's see how the subtitle gets translated and appears, and how to go ahead and do that. So let's have this text here for now, just one sentence to make it easy looking. Let me go ahead and insert the signs to look legible. Okay, so this is the text which you want to present. This is the first slide, and if you want to insert subtitle in a different language, so let's see how to go ahead and do that. So first, go to the slideshow ribbon, then click on always use subtitles, and then you have an option called subtitle settings. Just click on it once Then the first option that you see is spoken language English. So this is the language that you want to speak to, that you want to speak into your mic. This is the input language. So here it will be English when you are talking in English. Then the second option is subtitle language. Okay, so this is the language in which the subtitles will appear. You can definitely choose English again, or if you want it to be translated into Hindi or Arabic or Spanish or French or German, you can use that for it. Okay, so let's go ahead and use Hindi for now. Okay, and then the third option is the microphone. So this option shows you the different microphones that are connected to your computer. This is my inbuilt mic for the laptop, that's why it's appearing here. So when I connect the mic or a headphone, it will appear here. So you need to make sure that you select the correct mic in which you will be speaking to when you are giving the presentation. Okay, and the next four options are the placements of your subtitles. For example, if you want your subtitles to appear on the bottom of the slide overlaid, or below the slide you can select, or the above the slide you can select it. Let's select bottom overlaid. So again, these are the options which you need to select. The first is input language, the second is the output language of the subtitles, how we're going to be translated and appeared, and which microphone are you going to talk, and where do you want the subtitles to appear. So we have selected this option. Input will be English, and then the output, the translated language of the subtitle, will appear in Hindi. So this cannot be done before the presentation. This runs and appears when you are giving a live presentation, when your presentation is on. So now to see your subtitle for how are you need to run the presentation. So let's go ahead and click F5 or click on this slideshow icon. So just click on slideshow and see what happens. You say starting subtitles, start listening, then you speak into the mic, they say, how are you? So if you see, the translation of how are you appears. Okay, then if you want, let's see how does it appear in Arabic. Subtitle language, let's go and change it to Arabic. Now let's try it again. How are you? This is how you can actually have live subtitles and wow your audience. So they'll be amazed at how you are talking, and simultaneously real-time subtitles appear on the bottom. So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.